What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Experiment. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I got something special for you. I just got back from my mailbox, got this little package here we're gonna open, and I'm gonna talk to you about something pretty cool, so stay tuned. Look into this and then so, a couple of things up front. Subscription services right now are huge. They're everywhere. If you want ADC stuff, if you want clothing, if you want sneakers, if you want the little Tokyo Pop dudes, these guys right here. There's subscriptions for just about everything under the sun. And I've never done a subscription service to date, till now. So, I don't know, maybe a week ago, I was on Facebook, I was doing some stuff, and I kept seeing this thing from Watchgang, and again, there's no direct affiliation with myself and these guys, and if you don't know, I'm a fan. Let me put this camera down. I'm a fan of watches. I have been my whole life, and one of the things that I did when I was younger, I think it was in my early 20s, I bought myself a really nice Seiko watch. I gave it to a ailing family member, and they passed with it. It was perfectly fine. And then I moved on and got a Citizen Titanium and a couple of other watches since. But I've always been a fan of them. But recently I've been wearing the good old Apple iWatch, which is nice. It's got some convenience things. But I've always just loved craftsmanship of watches. And again, I was on Facebook and I thought, you know, click on this little ad thing, looked at it, wasn't to be honest, wasn't super impressed. And then a couple days later I went back to it, read through the whole shooting match, and then essentially ordered. So Watchgang is a subscription service. They offer 3 different tiers. You can do like their base level tier. I think it's like $49 a month, and then you go to the black tier, I think it's black tier, $100 a month, and then you go to the premier, which I think is $199 or $299 a month. And ultimately, they're going to send you a watch. It's the value is up to 5 times, in some cases 7, 8, 10 times the value. They also got a really fun and really cool wheel program where you can use credits and all of these bonus things. At this point, I think they have one of the coolest, funnest, kind of upbeat subscription services I've ever read about or seen online. So with that being said, let me talk to you about my experience, and we're gonna open this guy. So this is my first black box from those guys, and you don't know what you're getting until you get it. You can though, like what I did. So I bought it, my shirt's kind of wrinkled. So I bought mine and there were some deals on there, and I'll show you what I got. So one of the deals that I bought was this J bracket. Let's see if it'll, no, it's probably not gonna zoom in. There it goes. This watch right here, I got this for a killer deal. And let me show you what it looks like. And you can buy these, you can buy their watches, of course, directly from them. So this is one of the watches I did purchase outright. Let's get the, there we go. I purchased this outright. I like, it's very, to me, it's a very classic looking, clean watch. So I got this, I got a killer deal. This thing retails, I think, for a couple $100. I got it for, I think, like $37. Okay, so I got this, I purchased it outright. This, I did a bonus box for $20, and it gave me 150 points, which is generally the starting threshold to go on the wheel. The wheel, you get to choose various watches, and then literally you spin it, and you have an opportunity to win a Tag Heuer or a Rolex or whatever it is you choose. This is what I won. This is the Nodus Pro Diver. So this, in essence, cost me $20, and again, retails, I believe this retails for about $200. There's the box. And the reason I'm sharing this again is I'm a fan of watches. I feel like watches are one of those things that a nice watch with your presentation can go a long way. Now, digital watches and all of this stuff, that's a different conversation we'll talk about. But so there's the watch itself. Get the, there it is. again, a nice watch. I like the blue ring. I like the white. And we'll go into more detail at a later date, because really I just want to open this box. So again, I'm going to put a link to these guys' website down below. I think they have a referral, some kind of like referral program, and I'll put that referral down below. But it's a pretty cool program. They also do a bunch of giveaways. So since I've been with them for, like I said, 7 to 10 days, they do Rolex giveaways every Friday. They do Tag Heuer giveaways, Seiko giveaways, points giveaways, just so much more. And that, to me, is what really kind of makes it worthwhile. Dog wants in. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Or not. So, with that being said, it kind of keeps it fresh. It isn't just like this thing and then a watch shows up or what have you. So I have seen videos on YouTube of guys winning the Rolexes, guys winning the tags, so it's legit. Everything I've read and seen from people, not the company, appears to be extremely legit. We're gonna kind of keep this short because I think the dogs need to go out. Let's see what we got in this box. Again, the value of this can be, the subscription I bought was a $100 subscription, so the value can be up to 5 times or more, but they're advertised as 5 times the value. So let's see what we got in the box. Okay, it's just a black box. It looks like another J bracket. So same box. Hopefully it's not the same watch. Oop. No, it is not. Oh, that's nice. Wow. So this actually, there it is right here. So that's actually a really nice looking watch. Orange, which is a color I would not select, but that still is a nice watch. I like the classy kind of fresh look. So orange is a little different. And the cool part about this too, guys, is to keep it simple, we can, let me do this real quick. Just look up J bracket watch, and we'll go right to the website and you can see what it is. Let's see, J Bracket Co. Let me see if this thing has. Okay. And then these products do come warranted. Nice little card. Thank you for joining the J Bracket family. We hope you enjoy the timepiece. We offer a limited warranty covering the manufacturer defects for 2 years on original purchase date. We're not able to warranty misuse or damage. Register at J Bracket Co. It's kind of this nice felt liner in here. So let me see if I can figure out which watch we got and what the value of this specific watch is. So I'm here on the J Bracket site. It is a metal band. Okay, so all right, so let me show you. Let me turn this around. So that is clearly the style. Yeah, it's exactly the same style. So let's see what one of these guys goes for. I don't know that the color makes a difference. Okay, so the midnight blue. Oh, so actually I guess it is different. 'Cause mine is, 1 second here. So that is the interior. Keep going. Oh, maybe not. Oh, so maybe it's this, the Imperial JB. Where did the box go? JB8007. I don't see it. So that watch is 800, or not 800, 400. So this watch is like a cross between one and the other there. Okay, so let's do, again, I'm not sure which one it is. It's not that one. So just bear with me here. Chios automatic. No. Chios limited. Oh, sweet. So there it is right there. So my watch is this guy right here. It's the Chios Orange Limited. The retail on it, $425. Camera got a little close there. So $425. I got this for $100 subscription. The weight on it is nice. It also has, in which is super cool, the internal, I know, see if it'll zoom in on it. It's got the internal watch thing. So this is a nice watch. So again, that's my second J bracket watch. I like this other one. Let me show you the other one real quick again. But more or less the point is there's a bunch of subscription services. I feel like this is a good deal if you like watches. If you don't like watches, probably not a good deal. I'm stoked about it. I like participating in their little giveaways. I like the wheel. So let me go back to it and I'll show you the wheel real quick. And then again, I'll put a link to this before or down below. There's their giveaways. So Tag Tuesday, Rolex Friday, Seiko Saturday. Every week they give away stuff. I'll put a link down below, and there it is, guys. Anyways, I wanted to share that. Again, I'm a huge watch fan. Maybe you're not, maybe you don't care, but don't look into it. Super stoked to be with these guys. I like what they're doing. I like how vocal they are in their social media. So that's it. That's all I got. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was my first black Watchgang watch. If you guys like this video, you know, hit the thumbs up down below. Subscribe. Check it out. If you want to see more of these, make sure to comment down below, and see you in the next video.